welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing two unboxings. Well, they were from the same place, but they came in separate containers. But yeah, two unboxings. This is, I guess, part two of my Meian order that I made during the AliExpress 11/11 sale. So let's get on to it. So this is we'll do that one first. So this one, just based off of the size of the box, it should be a 40 by 50. Wow, look at that. That just looks pretty destroyed. But yep, okay, so this should be a 40 by 50 just based off of the fact that the other one is bigger and I did order bigger diamond painting. So there. Okay, let me put back this garbage in the box. Okay, so it does come with two toolkits. This toolkit comes with a lot of baggies. This is what I like about Meian. They come with a ton of baggies, and then they also come with labels. And this green boat is bigger than the normal green boat. And they do have the skinny placers, which are my favorite. Too bad they don't have the 4-placer. That's my ultimate favorite, and then some tweezers. Okay, so I did buy during my 11/11 sale on AliExpress just poured glue canvases because, yeah, they tend to be a little bit more expensive during normal, not sale time. So I figure, even though they are more expensive than the, what do you call that, double-sided adhesive, I would buy them when they're on sale. So here is this ultra cute diamond painting. Isn't it cute? I figured this is gonna be my Easter diamond painting, even though it's not super Eastery, like you don't see like eggs and things like that, but it's bunnies. So yeah, isn't it cute? Oh, look at that. So yeah, the original image, this probably is on the verge of being too small for the original image because you can't see everything on there, because here's the original image. It is very detailed. I don't know, is it gonna focus? But yeah, here's the original image. It's very detailed. You can see there are flowers and there's even mountains in the background. And you obviously well, you know, what's it called? Looking at it close, you can't tell these are mountains. But, you know, on screen, this actually looks pretty good. But you won't know until you actually put the diamonds on there. And I mean, the forest is not completely in there. But you know what? This is just going to be a fun project, and I did not want to go bigger than 40 by 50. So yeah. Oh wait, they actually have an inventory sheet. I don't think Meian used to give inventory sheets, so that's why I wasn't looking for it. But yeah, here it is. There are 30 colors. Yeah, there are a lot of symbols. Yeah, pretty much numbers and symbols. A few letters, but let's see. Does it look clear? I think it looks clear. You can see. Because I don't use a light pad, I don't like it when I can't see the symbols without a light pad. So yeah, no, I think this will be fine. They have, you know, the white lettering for the dark colors. So yeah, I think this will be great. Ooh, look at, so I did just get rounds. I also, during my 11/11 sale, I only got the round drills just because I sometimes you just need some rounds because they're so much easier to do than squares, even though I really do like squares. And plus, I haven't had good success with Meian and their squares, but since I like them for rounds, I just decided to get some rounds. So I will do inventory of this off screen because who really wants to watch me do inventory? But I actually thought there would be more, what's it called, brighter color. Well, there's some of the purples. I thought there would be brighter colors, but I guess there is a lot of blues in this one, so, but yeah, no. But yeah, this is going to be my Easter project, so you won't see this till spring, but you do end up having to buy if you're buying things from AliExpress, you do end up having to buy the diamond paintings in advance because they might take a while to come. Although this didn't take that long to come. I did order this on 11/11. This came on 12/5, so it wasn't that long. You probably won't see this video for a couple weeks or 2 or something, depending on my schedule of uploading, but there you go. That's the first one. And let's put that off to the side. Let's open the second one. The second one should be a 40. Oh, wait. I knew I was forgetting to do something. I did say this was supposed to be a 40 by 50. Let's see if Meian is still doing, their true to size things, because I was... Oh, wait. This is like 52.5. Well, this says 40 by 53. Did I order 40 by 53? No, it is a 40 by 53. Okay, I guess they have a weird size. So yeah, this is actually more than 40. This is, no wait, this is not more than 40. This is 39.5. So they're just off by 0.5 centimeter by 52.5. So I could take the 0.5 centimeter. It's when you start getting more than a centimeter, it's just like, really. Okay, so here's the next one. The next one should be a 45 by 60, if I'm remembering correct. Okay. This one, actually, the box does not look that horrible, so I might keep this in the box since it is a bigger one. And the box, wow, that survived the ship from China pretty well, so, or plane, I don't know how to this, it's probably ship. So this also came to me today also. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So they gave me 2 of these nice ones. So if you watched any of my kitting down videos, I think most of my big baggies actually came from Meian. Like if any of these toolkits just have so many in there. So they gave me 2 with the labels of the group. And then here it is. Let's see. Man, look look at the size of this legend. You're not gonna be like, it's huge. I'm just laughing because I don't think I've ever seen a legend that big. But yeah. So this one was a little bit more expensive. It's $16.62. And you can't really see the image on this, but it's this landscape scene. I do like that Meian is actually doing these, what do you call that, inventory sheets now. And hey, this one, unlike the other one, is all letters, numbers, and then letters, and then just a few symbols because they probably ran out of letters. So, let me go get my thumbnail of this. I do make the thumbnails before, let's see, here. This might be a clearer picture. But yeah, this is the diamond painting I got. You can tell I'm a big fan of landscapes and things like that. So, yep. And this is really nicely, like, look at how big this is. I really like that. You're what's it called? You're not gonna mistaken the size of this, what DMC these are. Ooh, look at how pretty the colors are. I actually think I got this because sometimes you just need a colorful picture. So, okay, so here it is. Man, I am still like this thing is massive. I am telling you, like this key is massive. Um, huh. I'm not sure how well this is gonna turn out. I think 45 by 60 might have been too small for this, but I don't want to do anything too big anymore, like, or unless I'm planning to put on this wall, on my wall, and I'm not sure if I want to put this on my wall, so this was just going to be something for fun, and 45 by 60 is the size of my portfolio book. So let's see. Is it, okay, so it looks like it is 60 by, yep, 45. 45 by 60, so good on Meian. If you saw my first unboxing of Meian, there was that one that I was unhappy that it wasn't the right size, but then I thought that maybe it wasn't from Meian. But yeah, here it is. On screen, it actually doesn't look half bad, so this might be one of those ones you kind of have to see from far away. I am still in shock of how big this color list is. It's massive. Like, what's it called? I did say this was 45, so this is probably like 40 centimeters of key, and you could probably see it from, yeah. Okay. It doesn't have it on the other side, but that thing is so massive that you could probably see it from like far away. But yeah, okay. I'll get over how massive that. Yeah, no, the other one wasn't that massive. But yeah, see, look. What's it called? My other one wasn't that massive. Like, look at that. That's huge. Okay. I need to get over it. Okay. But yeah, obviously this must have like different printing of it, because like they don't even look the same. Like, see, this one just has that up at the top, and then this one has this up at the top, and like it just looks different. So I don't know, maybe this is printed in a different way. That's why, or maybe this is a new print and this is like how they used to print it. I don't know. All I know is that is massive. This key is massive. Okay, let me get over that. But yeah, all the symbols, there's nothing. Yeah, I can see, I can read it. Like I said, I don't use a light pad, so if I have to use a light pad, it's one of those things that I remember and I end up not buying from them again. But yeah, yeah, I probably should have bought this slightly bigger, but I do just want to keep smaller unless I plan to put this on the wall. But there you go. There's my second one. And here this is again. I still can't get over how big this is. But okay. Thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.